Another painter who often came to our house was Francis Newton Sousa. Now, the name doesn't sound Indian to you at all, I'm sure, but he's actually from Goa, a Roman Catholic from Goa, and the readers might not know that Goa was a Portuguese enclave in India for more than 550 years. It only became independent in 1961. And the Goan Catholics are very, very conservative, or rather, they were taught to be very strict and conservative by the Jesuit fathers down there. And Francis Newton Sousa developed in the course of his youth a kind of aversion towards the Catholic Church, and he rebelled against the Church, particularly against their rites and their hypocrisies. And that was reflected in his work. And there's one particular painting which really is something quite fantastic. It's in a private collection in Bombay, and it's a huge canvas, 1.5 by 2.5 meters, and it shows in the colors black, gray, and white the death of the Pope. And the Pope lies on his deathbed. It was painted in 1962, so it must have been Pope Pius XII, I found out. The Pope lies on his deathbed, and he's surrounded by the 12 cardinals who all hope to become successor to him. And they are dressed in business suits. It just looks like a board meeting with the predecessor lying on the table dead, and the would-be candidates all waiting readily to become the successor. My husband bought this painting in 1963 for 10,000 rupees, which was a very large sum at that time. It caused quite a sensation in Bombay. And I had to see this gloomy, gruesome work on the walls for 15 years until it was finally sold to a private museum in Bombay.